Change them. You have to change them all, or just the ones that are rotten? Is this something that you need a whole crew in there to do? The house is from 1886. I don't think I can do it. Yeah, I would give it a check.
Calling out to be a beautiful day. Somebody like Asa, at least support. And then the second floor, that one room where the window was, it fucks up the beams on top and the window.
I'm like, he's like, because he's like, you got a couple of I'm like, I do. I don't have this one. I don't have the top of the line. I have the number, the number. I have the silver number.
Okay. I can Charlie on the right. I can do Charlie right here. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right. Well, if you told me, I'd have picked it up.
That's okay. I wasn't sure.
You know, yeah, it's all right. I'm picking up and dropping off other bikes for
Right.
people. You know, never hesitate to ask me. You know? Yeah. Not a bad ride. Cool. Fitz might be here today.
There's a picture in here of Zimmerman on a tandem. Hard safety tandem. Signed by Zimmerman.
And that was so nice. Well, you never know. The tires are nice. Yeah. I know it's safe.
It's just too cold for me.
I think a lot of these. So, that's what happens. You're more than around than you think.
Yeah.
On the, I think soldiers are fine.
Oh.
These are the domestic versions. The parachute. They would pull that up on their back. How you doing? Good.
If I'd have brought a pair, I'd have had them on, son.
What is this worth?
I don't know. I was thinking if I could get $100 for it, I'd be happy.
Right.
while it was being shipped to him, he was in his car accident. He had a car accident or something.
Yeah, and his wife broke her leg.
Yeah.
He moved down the shore of Tom's River area.
Down the river, yeah.
He used to be a Staten Island.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I recognize his name.
I just got this paper the other day. In the dark. Way more.
I've never seen one up here.
I took two of them out of his truck. The first one he sold to me, he's asking 17, he takes 14.
Yeah.
Then he wakes up and smells the coffee. And the next one is like 20 minutes later, he's already got a price of $2,700.
Oh, yeah.
How much is a little oil is? You check it out. There's some of them up to $100.
No. Okay. Hmm. Huh. Right. Yeah.
Good morning. Oh, yeah.
It's getting warmer. It's getting warmer.
Hey, how are you?
There's a
They'll be here for sure.
Did you be with them?
No, people got.
We are really early.
Creo que él no sabe, pero en septiembre están gustando ahora.
Springer you had for a while. Get the springer on the back too. Oh yeah. Yeah. They do only like 5 of them made or no. Yeah, there's always good. Wow. Yeah, had a rubber like a 4-6.
The frame?
Yeah, the frame.
It's pretty amazing how some of the early technology with the stuff they did. You know. For the period time period, yeah.
Alright, let me see if I can get some. Now I gotta find some wheels too, so.
We'll be riding it in no time.
Yeah, you know, it's such a hard sale. Alright, give me what you want. I gotta find Daniel. Nice to see you, brother. Okay.
The 27 tire, yeah.
Somebody knows somebody.
Somewhere out in western New York, and I got some work to do. I got to try. I didn't even know they did it. Okay, that's what I was
Bad. Just trying to make money back off of stuff I bought. I'm not gonna use it.
Well, I'll use
Got rid of that chopper?
Which one?
That longer fork.
Gone.
Gone? What the hell did you get for it?
He gave me $1,000.
And you took it. I wouldn't blame you.
Yeah. Well,
You're, otherwise, you're loading
Jersey
it
for it.
Huh?
He came from New Jersey for it.
Oh, the guy that originally wanted it, or somebody?
Yeah,
just...
no, he originally won. He came from New Jersey. We just had to dicker for it first.
Gotcha.
I wanted 1,500. He
No, I
told
remember
me.
you said he came up and decided not to want it or
and
something
then
like
he came back. He went home and got on the internet or whatever, and
Right.
he seen that the forks are selling for 300. The seats, too, he can make all of his money off it, so he came
Sure.
and bought it.
And you don't mind, because, I mean,
He's just gonna cut it up.
is he?
Yeah, he's got a mint one, but the where the kickstand goes, it broke off. So he's gonna cut that part off and put it
put
on
it back
his
in?
bike and sell all the parts. I said, hey,
Whatever you
I just
want.
want the toss.
Yeah.
Just give me the fucking money and see you.
Oh, hell yeah. No, I don't blame you. know, this day and age,
Yeah.
let it go.
Just let it go. I got enough shit. I got 500 bikes at home. More.
Damn. I thought I was nuts with 30 or 40.
No.
Me, I'm saying, I'm like, I got too many fucking bikes.
We always say, does a picture tell 1,000 words?
Listen, they got financing. Go on the website. Go to Curtis and Dave.
The Redwood, I watched the Redwood go right out in the dark. See you later.
Yeah. They're all cheap.
I don't know what the paint looked like.
Oh yeah.
Back it in the garage, just drive out through anything. And the guy comes to do my driveway, God bless it. It works for you, that's good. Right. I got the same guy doing my fingers. I have a lot of them. I got technically a ball seal of two. Find someone good. Too cool. Too cool. Tired. Some out of the bar like down the street from me. Really good cool.
That thing's brilliant.
Car lemonade.